Himansh blames Neha Kakkar as a real-life villain. Neha Kakkar had a serious relationship with model-turned-actor Himansh Kohli. This adorable couple even accepted their relationship openly on Indian Idol 10. After having a relationship with around 1 year, this couple parted their ways, reason best known to them. While Neha has been quite open about her feeling post their breakup, Himansh always kept quiet. But recently Himansh was fuming with anger and blamed Neha for their breakup in an interview. Neha was crying on shows after their breakup and she even posted some sad posts on her social networking sites. Neha also deleted every photo and video of her and Himansh's from her social networking sites. Both of them even unfollowed each other on Instagram too. Neha Kakkar even admitted that she was suffering from depression post their breakup. Neha every time portrayed herself in front of people in a way that for which Himansh looked bad to everyone. In spite of Neha playing victim card, Himansh never said bad about her. But recently Himansh seemed quite angry in an interview, and in that interview he blamed Neha for their breakup. This big revelation by Himansh about their breakup has shocked everyone now. Himansh said that as he did not put up any sad post after breakup, that does not mean that he is the culprit. Himansh said that their breakup was not an ugly one from his side. But when Neha started posting ugly posts and people started blaming Himansh, everything got ugly for him. He said that now everything is okay, but that phase was the worst phase of his life as the whole world was blaming him on social media. The actor was going through a lot as people without knowing the whole story started blaming him. Himansh did not say anything during their breakup, and because of that people started accusing him for their breakup. But in the recent interview, Himansh said that the real villain in their relationship was Neha Kakkar. Himansh said that Neha tried to get sympathy from people by crying on shows and talking about depression. Himansh admitted that he also wanted to say something on social media regarding Neha's post, but he did not do that just because he once loved her. The actor also wanted to ask the singer that why she was doing that blame game to him, because it was hurting him too much. Everyone believed that their relation ended because of Himansh, but the actor said it was Neha's decision to end their relationship. Himansh said that Neha decided to end the relation and Himansh respected her decision. But when Neha started posting, then Himansh was shocked as the story took a turn, and with Neha's each post, he faced backlash. Himansh said that he was really serious about their relationship and they even decided to get married in future. But people started saying that Himansh cheated on her, but the actor is also thankful towards Neha for clearing that he didn't cheat her. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.